In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Windows Defender on Windows 11. The first thing to do is to open up your settings app, and you can do that by searching settings here on the search bar, or you can click on this start button here with the Windows icon. Now once your settings app is open, scroll down and click on privacy and security, then click on Windows security. Click on virus and threat protection. You'll see a new window that will be opened. From this window, scroll down to virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings. Now here, if you want to turn off your Windows Defender, you just turn off real-time protection. So you toggle off. So it says real-time protection is off, leaving your device vulnerable. So when you're done with why you actually put it off in the first place, you can follow same steps and come back and put it on. I'm just gonna put mine on. Alright, so that's just the way to go about it. You get to this point, you toggle it off, and you want to turn it back on, you turn it back on. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, consider subscribing, like and share as well. Thank you.